Who's that? Damn. Happy birthday to you. Tapos may tuko. Bakit ka kakamot? Early break.
Day, pag-abot ka rin at ibot mo.
May kami kayo. Yogurt na naran. Delia. Dakpan gitu sih saya susah. Day one of 2.
1 of 2. Hanggang 0 of 2.
Yeah.
Pero wala na kaming pera.
Yeah.
I'll pick up coffee.
University of the Philippines, Belfan, and Academia Sinica in Taiwan. During her PhD and postdoctoral training at
in principle that he will not because the pore size of that front is too big to build the virus. So what we have,
Medcom Test Systems Incorporated, Biomed Enterprise, Gilbert Corporation, Samsung Scientific Corporation. For our cooperators, we have Iloilo Science and Technology University, Iloilo State University of Fisheries Science and Technology, BCAR Region 6, Philippine Genomics Center Visayas Chapter. We also have UV Acrylic Society. Samahan ng mga munisipyo.
go. Any investment in R&D will only reach its full potential.
Alright, wow, for serving for your dedication when it comes to genome sequencing of fish is truly commendable. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause to Dr. Victor Marco Emmanuel Espinosa, Assistant Executive Director, University of the Philippines.
So we're here at Festive and we're going to Akamon to meet our college friends. Ay, tulog kayo sa coffee break next sa Oman.
Sa Brooktown. Bukas sa Hong Kong.
Kung nasa Taiwan, si ano?
Sa RSBSA. Ang RSBSA. Ang sa mga P19.
Ano po yan?
Makalabot 1K, mga change.
Yodi accounting?
May in charge kita sa ano. Hoy, wala akong balaga mo.
Sa Hong Kong.